Hello everybody and welcome to Handies Around the House with your pal, Al Fix-It. On today's installment, I'll be teaching you how to unsqueak a squeaky door hinge by properly lubricating it. The Al Fix-It guarantee. Come on! Dale, come on!
I'm sorry, boss.
Are you tired of waking up your whole family every time you go to the kitchen for a midnight snack? How annoying, right? So let's get right down to it. Here's what tools are in my magic belt today. Today I have a wrench, a hammer, white caulk, black caulk, some scented candles, whiteout, a nose trimmer, some chapstick, some WD-40, a knife, a sword, $3.07, and a sack lunch. Method 1 will require a tool you can find in your own bathroom. Come on! We are in a bathroom, ladies and gentlemen, the most resourceful room in your house. It can save you from tornadoes and most recently hurricanes.
Yeah, my cousin survived a tsunami in a bathroom one time.
It's an incredible room, Dale! I'm ready for Katrina, Maria, and your cousin Tina in my bathroom. Ugh. How do your lips look today? Remember, no one wants to kiss a dinosaur. That's why they all died out. But you know what'll never die out? Bees. Get yourself some Burt Reynolds Bees chapstick today. It's also a great bee repellent. So you are going to want to apply generously to the hinge. Oh yeah, it's all about that up and down. Yeah, get that hinge action. Great work, guys. Method 2 will be to apply warm candle wax to the hinge. At first, you're going to want to take your candle wax and get it all nice and melty. Once you have that, you're going to want to apply it directly to the hinge. Now, be careful, because this stuff gets hot. This stuff gets hot. Ah! Ah!
Al, you alright, buddy?
Open a window!
I can't get it! It won't go!
We did that on purpose, ladies and gentlemen, to show you exactly what not to do. Dale should have opened a window before we started playing with fire. Remember, don't do as Dale does. Always do as Al does. Do. So as we always do here on Handies, here's the pay the price kit. Now, here's a product I don't like to depend on because of the price, but when you have a stubborn squeak like this, you can always turn to a brand name penetrating oil from Valvoline. Now you're going to want to use this every 3 months or 3,000 swings, whatever comes first. The bottle recommends you start with 4 quarts, but that is only a suggestion. You can always go with your gut. Start with 2. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. There. 2 quarts. There. Fixed it. Thank you guys for watching Handies. I'll catch you next week.
What are you doing in my house?
Run!
Do!
Oh my god, my mouth's so fucking